to the next question. If f of z is equals to u plus iy is analytic. This is the paper 8 model question paper 1. Okay. So 5a we are solving. We have solved already previous problems. You can check the previous videos. So now we have to prove f of z is equals to u plus iv is analytic, and we have to show that this equation we have to prove. Okay, so first we will consider this equation and we'll prove that as an analytic now. So f of z is equals to u plus iv. So f of z the whole square is equals to u square plus v square. Okay, so this is our first consideration. Means if you take the square, you will get the same answer only. Now we have to partially differentiate this equation with respect to x and y. So differentiation with respect to x is power we have to take it as 2 into f of z. Okay, 2 into f of z, and differentiation of this one with respect to x, that we have to write again. Okay, now is equals to u square differentiation is 2u and dou u by dou x plus 2v into dou v by dou x. This is our second equation. Again this equation we have to differentiate with respect to y. So just here you have to write with respect to y. That's it. Same value repeating because x and y is not present here. Okay, so this is our next equation with respect to 3. Okay, after this again by using the CR equation we can change the values. Ux is equals to vy and uy is equals to minus vx, because here we have to prove it as a square of f of x, f dash of x square, no. So for that purpose f of z square is equals to u square plus v square. So we should consider, so like this. So we can write the equation 3 as 2 of f of z into dou by dou y into f of z is equals to 2u. Now I am replacing uy as minus of dou u by dou x plus 2 times of v and vy as ux dou u by dou x. Okay, so I'm replacing, this is vy, sorry. So I'm replacing vy by ux dou v by dou x. Replacing vy by vx and replacing vy by ux. So this is our consideration. Now squaring and adding the equation 2 and 3. So now squaring and adding the equation 2 and 4. So what we will get here? So squaring and adding the two equations. So we'll get here 2 square as 4 and f of z the whole square into dou by dou x into mod of z the whole square plus dou by dou y into f of z the whole square. Okay, means if you had these two equation, 2 square will be 4 and f of z the whole square will be common. So only these two part you have to write square and square. Okay, idರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 2 4 into f of z the whole square ಅಂತ. Okay, and again ಇವಾಗ if you had these two equation, again you can take the common here. So if you take the common, so 2 plus 2 it is 4 u square plus v square. Okay, again 2 plus 2 is 4 v square and v square we have to do. Okay, 2 plus 2 first 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ v square. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು dou u by dou x the whole square plus dou v by dou x the whole square. So this is our equation number 5 now. Okay, now we can replace this f of z by u square plus v square by one of this consideration. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 4 plus v square ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, so this is equals to sign. Now left out part is only this part and this part. So dou by dou x of f of z the whole square plus dou by dou y of f of z the whole square is equals to dou u by dou x the whole square plus dou v by dou x the whole square. Okay, now f of z is equals to u plus iv. So we can replace this part by f dash of z. Okay, f dash of z of whole square means if you differentiate again this one, so you will get the same value only. Okay, so f of z is equals to u plus iy is analytic, therefore f of z is exists. That is our consideration at the end. So f of z is equals to u plus iv is analytic, therefore f dash of z exists. And we can show that f dash of z is equals to dou u by dou x plus I into, means f dash of z is equals to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x, and f dash of z the whole square is equals to dou u by dou x the whole square plus dou v by dou x the whole square. Okay, so we can replace that by this value. Okay, so this is our proof. So what is our question? This is our proof. F dash of z the whole square is equal to this square plus this square. So if you have a confusion here, you can directly do here. Okay, so 2u if you take common, 2 plus 2 means if you had this two thing, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because it will be having the same value. Okay, ux uy uy na if you do it, so you will get that only. So ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 4u square plus 4v square ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ u square plus v square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is how you have to solve this. Next question is 5b. If u minus v is equals to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square and f of z is u plus iv is an analytical function of z is equals to x plus iy, find f of z in terms of z. So that is our question. So they are given f of z is equals to u plus iv. Okay, when you multiply I with f of z, you will get it as iu minus I square v. So now you can write it as iu plus v. Sorry, this is plus. When you multiply, it will be I square. So you will get here minus v. Okay. So when you multiply f of z, with when you add f of z with f of iz, when you add these two equation, you will get u plus iv plus iu minus v. Okay, now here you can, if you take f of z common, you will get 1 plus I. The same way here. Okay, now you can take the u common here. So taking the real part and imaginary part. Okay, now this is our real part and this is our imaginary part. Now you can write it as 1 plus I into f of z is equals to u plus I into capital V. Okay, this is small u small v, this capital U and capital V is our representation. Now you can write capital U as u minus v and v as u plus v. Okay, because we need to prove that f of z is an analytical function of z. So for that purpose we are solving this one. So in the question they are given the real part, that is u is equals to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. This is our, in the question they are given this part. Here I is not present, so we'll consider it as a real part. Okay, now we have to find dou u by dou x. So this is capital U, which is equals to, we previously we know that it is u minus v, no. So dou u minus dou x minus dou v by dou ex. So dou u by dou x is equals to, x minus we will write as it is. So x square is 2x plus 4y. Okay, so now we have to differentiate this part with respect to x. So we have to use uv formula. Uv formula is, we have to differentiate u and then we have to write v as it is, and we have to differentiate v and we have to write u as it is. So differentiation of x is 1 and y with respect to x we are differentiating, so this part will be 0 and we have to write this part as it is, plus we have to write v part as it is. We have to differentiate v part, we have to write u as it is, we have to write, differentiate v part. So differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of x is 1 here, so it is 4y, and here y is considered as a constant because we are differentiating with respect to x, so it is 0. Okay, so this is our equation. Now we have to simplify this one. So x square plus 4xy plus y square plus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2xy minus 4y square. Okay, now four x minus 2x, that is 6x. Now 2 minus x, that is 3x square. Again here 8 minus 2, that is 2, not 6xy. Again y square minus 4y, that is minus 3y square. So this is our value. So now we will consider this as phi 1 at z comma 0. Okay, this is phi x comma y actually. So phi 1 at x comma y. If you put phi 1 at z comma 0, then this is given as, so y terms will be 0. So left out term is x plus y, so we can write it as 3z square. Means how it is, means we have to replace x as z. Okay, if you replace x as z, we'll get 3z square plus 6 into z into 0 minus 3 into 0 the whole square. So this term will be 0, that's how we'll get the 3z square here. Okay, so again the next equation we have to differentiate the same equation with respect to y here. So dou u, capital U divided by dou y is equals to dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y. Means what? This is u minus v. Know that we are differentiating with respect to y. That is what is the, here don't get confused that u is separate, v is separate. Now again you have to use the u v formula with respect to this equation. So when you differentiate this with respect to y, so let's consider this as minus 1 now, because x differentiation is 0 and minus y differentiation is minus 1 into x square plus 4xy plus y square. I'll write v as it is. Now I will differentiate v, so I'll write u as it is, and differentiation of x square is 0, and differentiation of 4xy is 4y plus 2y. So this is our differentiation. Now again we have to multiply the things. So this is x square minus 4xy minus y square, and plus 4xy plus 2x square minus 4y square minus 2y square. Okay, so this is our equation. Now 2x square plus x square. So 2x square plus x square is 3x square. Okay, 2 minus x square. Sorry, little change here. So differentiation of this with respect to y means 4x will remain. Okay, so then this part will be little change. So plus x into 4x square plus 2xy minus 4xy plus minus 2y square. So this is our equation. Okay, now 4x square minus 3x square, 1x square, that is 3x square, again 4xy and one more. So minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 6xy, minus both are negative, so 3y square. So this is our equation. So this is our phi 2 with respect to x and y. Again if you replace x with the z and y with the 0, so y term whatever is there, so this term and this term will be 0, so left out is 3z square. So this is our phi 2. Now what we have to do, we have to consider this equation. See this equation, in this we have to put both the equations. So I'll solve here only I will solve. So what is here? F of z of 1 plus I is equals to differentiation of this one imaginary part, and is given as integration of phi 1 with respect to z comma 0 plus here what is there? Okay, so minus I into phi 2 times of z comma 0. Okay, phi 2 of z comma 0 plus c. So this is our formula. Now if you substitute the value of phi 1 with respect to z comma 0, then our integration will be 3z square into dz minus I into integration of 3z square into dz plus c. So integration of z square is given as z cube by 3 into dz minus I into 3z cube by 3 into dz plus c. Okay, so after integration we'll get c here. So here we'll get the c. So if you cancel 3 and 3, so left out is z cube minus, sorry, dz will not come, I into z cube plus c. When you take z cube common, it is 1 minus I plus c. Okay, now if you take fz common in those two, so f of z is equals to 1 minus I. If I take this one this side, so 1 plus I into z cube plus c divided by 1 plus I. So this is our solution for the given problem. Okay, now if you want, you can replace the thing here. So 1 minus I, 1 plus I, you can write it as minus I. So you place minus z minus I z cube plus some constant value. Okay, so f of z is equals to minus I z cube plus k.